Hi, to factory reset your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. As a first step, if you don't want to lose your data, you can perform backup of your phone. So let's open settings, find about phone tab, and now we can see this section backup and restore. So for example, you can backup and restore items on this device or using a computer. Also, you can perform your Google account backup. For that, tap this blue button Backup Now. And you can do the same for your Xiaomi Cloud if you signed in, of course. And after you performed backup, you can erase all of your data. For that, find this option Factory Reset. And here you'll see that it will basically erase all of the items, all of your data from this device. So just tap this red option, Erase All Data, just by tapping it. Here you need to draw your pattern and you'll see this pop-up window that we can perform backup, but we already did this, so let's tap Factory Reset. Now it will clear all downloaded eSIM data, so I'm gonna clear it. And now we got this pop-up window that this will erase all data on your device, including photos and other personal data. So we know that. Let's tap next. And now we need to wait 10 seconds till we can tap OK, because now it is talking about backup. We already did backup, so let's tap OK. And that's basically it. Now your phone will turn off. All of your data would be erased. And it will turn back on, and you'll need to set up this device again. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.